Welcome back to welcome back to the stream, guys. After 2 days, I'm uploading. Actually, I'm quite busy at today, so that's why. At Monday there is a fest in my college, so that's why I did not stream the live. So yesterday's questions were very quite easy. I solved within around 5 to 6 minutes, I think so. Let me show it. Yeah. Um, not this. It's Mondays, Sundays. Just I will show you. Yeah. Very quite easy. Yes. See, just they gave already. They wait. I will go back to the solution. From 4 days, they are giving only about robo origins. So they gave the code. Wait, I will reset the code. See, they gave the code like this. Okay. Just we return the. It should return the moves to you, and it the count should also returns to D and moves to L and R. U, D, L, R. It is considered as left, right, up and down. So that's and I click submit. It happened. Very easy. Yes, okay. And about Monday's one, uh, it's Monday. Yeah, it took very so much time. Yes, I solved this problem at early morning 4 o'clock. So I forgot and yesterday there was the exam and I did not even write the coach of data structures also. At least I will write at least one question, but at now I did not write even one question. Walking robot simulation. Actually, it is kind of x-axis and y-axis, exact position and coordinates about that thing. Means north axis means plus y and the east axis means plus. If you play Minecraft, you may know this coordinates longitude, latitudes, latitudes and longitudes. Correct. So okay, it's very quite easy. So now let's jump into walking robot simulation. So let's close Gemini. We'll try to solve by ourselves. So okay, walking robot simulation 2. So it contains. Wait, first I will read the entire question. After that, I will explain. If I read a little bit and explain you, you may get confused. And I also get so much of this. So that's fine. So x by let's say 0 comma 0 top right so this bit minus. Let's go into focus mode. So I was not getting error. Where is that focus mode? Focus mode है यार. अरे यार. So okay. They already gave the formula of width into height on the plane y xy plane with bottom left 0 comma 0. So bottom left of the plane is 0 comma 0. They give exact value. They gave okay simulations. It's kind of game, I guess. Yes. Array, is this a robot? Yeah. It is an Android symbol. Yeah. What's this? What's happening? Hmm. Okay. The step, get box, get live. Hmm. So nothing. Cell reflections. So actually, I understand this robo will never steps inside the grid, only outside. It starts on the edge and always turns clockwise direction. See, it will run in a loop like this. How much time it will run, I don't know. It will be until unless the battery dies. Okay. Uh, it is kindly locked in the perimeter of this 3 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 into 6 parameters where it's kind of bowling channel. Pigeon in a like that. So okay. So already they gave width and height. Hmm. Okay. So what should we do? Calculate the perimeter. Attempting to move forward directional space. If cell robot is moving out of the box, okay, turns into the so there is a now thing it will walk out of the thing. Okay, nice. Not only not the east, west, north, south, but in the northwest, west, south. So wait, put it down in my notes. That's why I can easily just select it. So if the cell, the robot is moving out of the box, then it's 90 degrees. So in formula we should mention 90 degrees, I think so. So there, this thing also we have to mention. I think so we have to multiply into 2 times or a +2 or -2. Um, it is moving forward, no? If it forwards backside, I can use minus, but it is moving the front side, no? So I can use +2. No worries at all. So okay, I think so. Time complexity and the space complexity is also default. I think O into n for this thing because it is considered as medium arcs and marks. That's it. What, what should we do? Let's write the code. Wait, I will ask Google which formula is best. Or wait, I will see solutions. Exit focus more by charging waste, destroying the environment in Python. All right in Python. Okay, that's correct. Our formula is into 2 and left to this formula we should write. Wait, I write in a forward. So I will not forward. So into with minus 1 plus 2 into 8 minus 10. So what is this optimization? Step by step, step. Our formula is correct, but I did not write the exact formula. But why he? Okay, okay. Plus 2 into 8. Mm, there are 4,800 students, lead coders, trying to solve this. So they are also given the definitions of each step and the get DRI. What is get DRI? Yeah, the history was it hurts. We just now every Saturday and Sunday they will give a weekend developers thing. So this week, means last week they gave about brute forcing and SQL injection, basic things how to do. So okay, no, get drive means moving at a particular thing. Get drive robot OD array. So return direction of code. So what should we do means self-log W. We use self function as a bit. height into width into height, or should I directly I should import like these questions. So I think so we have to use self function. Self dot w names width equals to wi ph width and self dot h equals to h right. After that, we have to use, we already mentioned the width and height. So after that, we have to assign the perimeter from PVR, right? Perimeter equals to, right, I will see it my notes, through into, should I give the space WI lead VH with minus QR with minus uh, plus 2 into right HGIG is to right means. So we assign the width and height and perimeter. So after that, we have to give the exact position. Okay, self dot position. Wait, my Mac laptop is get lagging. RX 4070 self dot post and position and exact movement. No, so self dot. So they gave a function that it will not go outside of the thing, no? So we use self dot mode equals to false as our Boolean expression. Automatic Boolean expression. Maybe true or false. So after that, hmm, I did not get any errors, no intonation errors. Please, if you are. So after that, so first about step self number int equals to okay. So in this case, we have to use if else statement. If the perimeter is 0, it will returns and it will let's say if self p right self perimeter equals to 0, close it, return. Just ignore it into that's it. After that, back integration self dot pause means position. Pause. Self. It is they already mentioned the formula in the solutions. So I'm using that formula. In exams also, if they give kind of concepts like this, like hints, it is very quite helpful for us. Self dot position plus number percentage, where is percentage? Always y space self dot p right with t very. After that, it will move self dot move equals to PRU. So we repeat here code to the finish. That's it. Okay. Yeah, I did not start the timer. Hmm, let's quickly off the stream because it is too late to start. Actually, I took a trade today, so that's why it took so much of time. Quite stressful. Well, never. Sorry for the self position. Yeah, there is no kind of. I should add any extension for spelling mistakes. Self position is programming. Self what? Review with position is the number. Every time it was moving from one axis to another axis, it will change this. So we things should. Maybe I get error here, so that's why I mentioned that rest time for a while now. So after that, it returns to as it is. Cell dot position. Position is assigned as 0. It is default now, so that you see 0. So the thread is if after wait, I think so I get intentionally. Yeah. If else, if else or if which one should I write? If else statement means either be true or false. If means maybe it hmm. Self dot position height with plus height. So if I hit 100 subscribers, I will buy a new mic. So do it. Okay. Okay. Consistency is clear success. Thanks, Raj, for guiding this new subscribe. Oh, 8 subscribers. Yes, okay. Good job, guys. Good job. Thank you so much. Yeah, some streams I continue. So I made a decision that I will not stream at Wednesday, or I will should block this entire thing because coach it got algorithm is yeah, it will drop around 1600. It is very see, wait, a message will pop up. Attention, we are flatly cheating the emails from yesterday live also mentioned the guy. So it will drop around like this 1600 3 star. Again, I should go into 4 star. And yesterday also I break the streak. I should be very careful because I did not have any kind of pro plan. So let's jumping to our game. Sorry, not video. The problem means one. Sure. Okay. Let's go to bigger one. So R one. In my college, if I write comments, I get good marks. Yeah, I think so. I should close this thing. Yeah. maybe getting spectacles. Written zero. Again, we have to use the previous formula that you mentioned in the solution self, not just copy pasting this thing that this guy gave. So tomorrow onwards, what we will do means I have to prepare for my data structures and Python, not Python data structures. Actually, I'm very weak at the data structures. So tomorrow onwards, I will prepare a PDF and I will start preparing about from single link list, double link list, merge, short link, all that I will like. Again, I will learn. I know what will single link list do and what are the advantages and what is the thing, but I can't present that code exactly. So that's why. So tomorrow we will do. We will maximum I try to solve this code as soon as possible. I'll ask Gemini these solutions and I will write just here and typing like that. So after that we will start practicing data structures. Maybe my calls will also join. So okay. So already we mentioned the bit. After that we have to mention the exact position. So after that, so self dot uh, with this completed, complete. So just on the formula. Just now I saw the formula, so that's so I also made a mistake. We have to give the exact position before decreasing the value. Already we hear if there minus one and two, there will be getting minus value. The if minus one and minus two, the value will be again three now. So minus minus so minus three. So the robo will only go towards clockwise direction, not anti-clockwise direction. So that's why quite the formula is matching so many things, contains so many stuff with minus one and position minus, creating a new thing, self W. In this problem, they only gave this key. Came out welcome. It's a made a mistake. Yeah, actually I'm writing the code in a note using ChatGPT. Yeah, we can't solve the problem that using ChatGPT. At least we have to use these things. This entire thing was wrong. It's so many mistakes it was said in the okay. This is the form right key. Oh, Yeah, the way they are shouting does not even see this much of formula in tenth there is a formula area of triangle, I think so. Something like x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y1 minus y3 plus x3 into y1 minus because I remember that formula is like 1 2 3 2 3 1 3 1 5. So yeah, they will give exact coordinates of x y z. Just we have to simplify the formula in it. So we will get the sense. So that we have to remove this type in and give a space so that the right machine. So it will also contain some general things. Not the position. So complete again it's just all super distance. If as self that if it goes the position it returns to south that loop we have right paste. This is the I copy paste the formula only, but still I get it. Should I send anything is here? So position is default is mentioned as 0 on the description. So about that thing. The false spelling is covered. Why the output did not came? Excuse me. Hmm. What's the error in my code and what's the one? Hey, yeah, string wrong answers. So it passed it only half the cases. Hmm. Okay, let's Complete this thing as finished as I can do. This task one, 3.1. So in this delay, we wrote the code check and try to solve some problems. Let's do this. If and if in that easy one. Yeah, I generally gave the answer. What is nothing? So I think it's it. Right, it changed the formula. Yes. You should clean here. I asked the Gemini what it has changed. Yes, it has changed in this formula. Change this formula. Elif statement. So before previous thing I used one and two. So that's why it failed some hidden test cases previously. So that's it is only it's a kind of small thing. So anyways, thanks for watching the stream until now. So I will bring up this stream because it was already 8:30. So anyways, thanks for watching. Tomorrow onwards, we will start preparing for data structures, linked list and double linked list. What are the syllabus in COs? So I will try to solve it. Okay, anyways, thanks for watching. Bye guys. Wait, once again, it's not and push it to GitHub. Oh, that's GitHub. Stick password. Yesterday, weekend developer exam, which is conducted in Caltech. You can also write for free. You will not need any kind of pro subscription. It will give 24 hours. So click on computer and we have seen at Monday it will contain this thing. Now it will not show till until unless we are close to Friday or Saturday and Sunday, so it will show that what is the exam, coming exam. And there is 23 hours exactly for 20 to 23 weeks coach of contest exam. Tomorrow I will maybe I will even just I will show only the this thing was green only, and I will blur the entire thing, so I will not get any plagiarism this time. So, anyways, thanks for watching the live stream. Okay, guys, take care. Tomorrow we will start learning data structures and I also start Python. So, anyways, thanks for watching. Bye, guys. Take care.